As we know, that globally unsafe abortion is one of the main causes of maternal mortality, morbidity, and disability. Induced abortion is illegal in Bangladesh except to save a woman's life. Bangladesh has a very unique program called Menstrual Regulation MR program approved by the government. It has been the part of Bangladesh National Family Planning Program since 1979. MR is allowed up to 10 to 12 weeks of missed period. In 2013, the government allowed menstrual regulation with medication, MRM program, MRM drug to be used for up to 9 weeks of gestation. Despite the availability of MR services, many women resort to clandestine abortions, some of which are unsafe. Still, many women are being denied of services because of various reasons. In 2014, almost 1.2 million induced abortions occurred in Bangladesh, and many of these were likely done in unsafe conditions or by untrained providers. And almost 0.4 million women suffered complications from clandestine abortion in the same year. Barriers to access to safe services and stigma within the cultural and religious context exist in Bangladesh, though it is not so strong, but knowledge gap and poor quality of services are notable. Denial of these services results in women being forced to access unsafe services and has a significant impact on their life, livelihood, and well-being. Access to safe abortion services is crucial to protecting and realizing fundamental human rights. This remains true during the current COVID-19 pandemic. This public health crisis exacerbates the risk for women and girls to sexual and other forms of violence, lack of access to contraception, and unintended pregnancies. A recent report by Guttmacher Institute mentioned reduced access due to COVID-19 will result in additional 49 million women with an unmet need for modern contraceptives and an additional 15 million unintended pregnancies over the course of a year. Now, more than ever, governments should continue to ensure the delivery of essential sexual and reproductive health information and services, especially to the marginalized population. In this backdrop, as a member of People's Health Movement, Association for Prevention of Septic Abortion Bangladesh, BAPSA, established in 1982, one of the pioneer organizations in the country fighting for combating unsafe abortion and related maternal mortality and morbidity. In this occasion of Abortion Day, we do think that this is the right time to raise voices, especially the unheard voices of the young women being denied of right to services, and create a scope for sharing of knowledge and experiences. Finding innovative models for ideas for building tangible changes for increasing access and quality of services by fostering dialogue, discourses for building a strong movement for right to have safe abortion services.